everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm diving into something truly amazing, the incredible healing power of your own body. It's a fascinating process that happens right under our noses, often without us even realizing it. Ever wonder what happens when you get a cut or scrape? It might seem like a simple thing, but there's a lot going on beneath the surface. Well, by the end of this video, you'll understand how your body works like a natural superhero to heal wounds step by step. It's a journey that involves multiple stages, each crucial to ensuring you recover fully. Alright, let's start with the first step, hemostasis. This is the body's immediate response to injury. Imagine you've just cut your finger. Bam! It's a sudden shock and your body needs to act fast. Your body's immediate reaction is to stop the bleeding. Blood vessels constrict to reduce blood flow, and platelets rush to the site, forming a clot. Blood vessels constrict to reduce blood flow and platelets rush to the site, forming a clot. This clot acts like a temporary barrier, preventing further blood loss. It's like your body's very own emergency response team, patching up the damage to prevent blood loss. This initial response is crucial to stabilize the wound. Next up, we have inflammation. This stage often gets a bad rap, but it's actually a crucial part of healing. Now, inflammation gets a bad rap, but it's actually a crucial part of healing. Your immune system sends white blood cells to the wound to fend off any bacteria or debris. Your immune system sends white blood cells to the wound to fend off any bacteria or debris. These cells are like tiny soldiers, protecting the wound from infection. This can cause redness, heat, and swelling, but it's your body's way of protecting and cleaning the wound. It might be uncomfortable, but it's a sign that your body is hard at work. Now, onto the third step, proliferation. This is where the real magic happens. New tissue starts to form, filling in the wound. It's like watching a construction site come to life. New tissue starts to form, filling in the wound. Fibroblasts, which are specialized cells, produce collagen, which acts like scaffolding to support new cells. Fibroblasts produce collagen, which acts like scaffolding to support new cells. This collagen framework is essential for the new tissue to grow and strengthen. Blood vessels grow to supply nutrients and oxygen, ensuring the new tissue is healthy and strong. These new blood vessels are like tiny highways, delivering everything the new tissue needs to thrive. It's like watching a construction site where every worker knows exactly what to do. Each cell has a specific role and they all work together seamlessly. Finally, we reach the last stage, maturation. This is where your wound gets the finishing touches. The new tissue strengthens and reorganizes itself, forming a scar. This scar is a testament to your body's incredible ability to heal. Over time, the scar may fade, but it's a reminder of your body's incredible ability to heal. It's a badge of honor, showing that you've overcome an injury. The whole process can take days to months, depending on the severity of the wound and your overall health. Isn't it amazing? Your body is constantly working behind the scenes to keep you healthy and heal you when you're hurt. It's a complex and beautiful process that we often take for granted. So next time you get a scrape or cut, remember the incredible journey your body takes to get you back to normal. Thanks for watching. If you found this video fascinating, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more amazing insights into the wonders of the human body. We have so much more to explore together. Take care and stay healthy. Remember, your body is an incredible machine, always working to keep you at your best.